today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text and image watermark in Google Slides, a handy skill to personalize and secure your presentations. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already there, sign into your Google account. This is essential as you need to be logged in to access and modify your presentations. Once you're signed in, navigate to your Google Slides homepage where you can see all of your past projects and create new ones. Now let's get started on creating our watermark. You have the option to either start with a blank presentation or select a ready-made template. You can choose either based on your needs. Starting from scratch with a blank presentation allows greater flexibility, while templates can provide a helpful structure. Once your presentation is opened, look towards the top menu bar and click on Slide. A drop-down menu will appear presenting several options. From there, select Edit Theme. This is a crucial step as it takes you to the master slide where you can make global changes that apply across all slides in your presentation. Now that you're editing the master slide, you have a clean slate to work on your watermark. If you're adding a text watermark, select the text box tool, click anywhere on the master slide where you want your watermark to appear, and type in your desired text. You might want to adjust the font style, size, and color to ensure it's visible yet not too overpowering. Consider using a semi-transparent text color to maintain balance between the watermark and your slide content. Not only can you add text, but you might also want to insert an image as a watermark for a more sophisticated look. To do this, go to the Insert menu at the top, select Image, and upload the image you wish to use. Adjust the image's size and position so it discreetly embeds onto the slide without distracting from the core content of your presentation. It's often a good idea to scale the image down and adjust its transparency settings, giving a professional touch without being intrusive. Once you're satisfied with how both the text and image watermark look, click the X to exit the master slide view. All your adjustments will automatically reflect on your slides, making the watermark appear consistently and giving your presentation a unique and secure touch. Remember, watermarks are great for branding and intellectual property protection. With these steps, you've not only enhanced your presentation skills, but also ensured the security of your work. Don't forget to save your presentation and experiment with different text and image placements to create the best visual impact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy creating.